Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. Alright, so today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the Heartbreak anniversary TikTok dance. Alright, let's just dive right into it. I'm going to start with a preview of the first section. So the first section goes na 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 na. Hey! Hey guys! I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so in this first section here, you need to be able to do this basic move here, boom, boom. So let me just try and break this down. So what you want to do is you want to say step, turn around, step, hey, pretty easy, right? Now, at the same time, you also want to bring your arms up like this, whoa, and then you want to swing them out, around, back in here, out, around, hey, 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 pretty easy, right? So, when you combine the two, it's gonna look like this. Here, around, and here. Yes, so as soon as I'm almost in here, I want to say step, and then I go boom, boom. If you want to, you can also add a small detail here where you actually lean a bit, so you're pushing the arms away from your body, around, back up here, and then lean back up. Boom. Hey, this is the exaggerated version. Hey. Alright, so that's the basic move. So what you want to do in this dance routine here, you want to say boom, around, and then you say step and go hello to the front. Alright, with your right arm. Now from here you want to do the step again, whoop, so you're just restarting this move to the other side, and then you want to go boom, and then step, yeah, with your arms up here. Alright, so let's just do that. We're gonna go step, around, hello, and step, around, stop. Alright, let's just try that with me. 5. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go step, around, hello, and step, around, stop. Now, what you wanna do here is say, I'm just gonna show you to the front. Your arms are gonna say rain. Alright, and then from here, cross over, back out, and then you wanna feel it out however you want. 1 arm, 2 arms, whatever you want. Alright? So let me just show you again here from the side. So we were here, I'm doing rain. You don't need to go all the way here, right? Just here, rain, cross, out, feel it out. Alright? I might even, lean a bit back, might even do a body roll. Actually, there is a body roll. So, they're doing body roll while we're doing all this. Alright? If you don't know how to do the body roll, I have a detailed tutorial if you want to check it out. Alright? So basically you want to do body roll, body roll, body roll, and then stop and feel that out. This might even be a small, slow body roll. Alright? So let's just try and practice with me. From here we're gonna go boom, A. Alright, so rain, cross, here, stop. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go rain, cross, out, boom. Okay, so let's just go all the way to the tip to top and go boom, and hello, and boom, rain, wah, stop. Alright, try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom, hello, boom, stop, rain, cross, out, boom. Alright, feel free to practice on your own if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, then let's move on. So, the next mini section here is, let me just share a quick preview. Right after we go boom, you go snap, and it's cold outside. Walk slow, walk slow. Now, let me break it down. So, right after boom, you want to go snap, so basically just turning here to the front and go snap. You can even do a step, yeah, and do a little bounce. From here, what you want to do is go open, throw, up, down. So you're cold, right? So open, throw, cold, cold. All right, so from the tip to top, not the tip to top, but from here, you want to go snap, and it's cold, boom, boom. All right, now from here, it's the slow-mo walk. Now, if you don't know how to do that, I also have a detailed tutorial on how to do that. But basically, you're just doing like this on the spot with your legs. Whoop, 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 whoop. Your arms are gonna go, just like you're walking. All right, so we're gonna go 3 times here to your right corner, and then you wanna switch and go 3 times to your left corner. Let me just show you. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's just do it. The beginning of part 2, right after the end of part 1 here. You wanna go snap, and it's cold, boom, boom, and 1, 2, slow, and a 1, 2, slow. Yeah, I'm actually not sure how I do this transition here. Basically, I just turn, I put this leg down, and I start with another leg to the other side. Boom, boom. All right? Okay, let's try and practice that. So section 2 from end of section 1 here. I'm gonna go snap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Snaps, and a throw, cold, cold, and walk, 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 walk. So I don't know if you noticed, but I'm starting with my right leg here. Walk, walk, right, because then it's easy for me to start then with my left leg when I turn around. All right, let's just try one last time. Yep, from the snap part. 5, 6, 7, 8. Snaps, and throw, cold, cold, and walk, walk, slow, and a walk, walk, slow. All right, so mini section 3 goes, let me just show you quickly here. Right after slow, 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 you wanna go shoulder, 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 feel it out, and there's a slow-mo walk again. All right, so let's just try and break that down. So from here, I wanna go right shoulder, right shoulder. And it's gonna be very subtle. You don't have to do shimmy, shimmy, right? You just ka. All right? From here, you wanna take a step back on your right here and just go feel it out however you want, yeah? Small body roll down here, or even just stop, all right? Now, from here, what you wanna do is do another slow-mo walk, starting with your right here, so you're going right, left, right. Now, on the last one, you can do like pointing at your imaginary watch if you want to. Some people also just do, slow-mo without pointing or anything. All right, so let's just do that. We're gonna go right, left, right, feel it out, slow-mo walk. Okay, just try and practice with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, feel it out, slow-mo walk. Or this. All right, let's try one more time, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, feel it out, slow-mo walk. All right, so let's just do a quick recap before we forget everything. So from the tip to the top, it goes na 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 hello and na 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 rain. Cross out A, snap, and it's cold, whoom, whoom, and then slow-mo walk, slow-mo walk, tap, 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 feel it out, one last slow-mo. Okay, so before we start practicing, let me just show you the timing, how it's supposed to be. So we go something like da 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 met you, da 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 forever, da 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 da, and da 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 never. It's cold, da 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 na 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 da 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 na 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 na. Ka. Oh. Da 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 slow. Okay, just try and practice with me. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Na 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 met you. Na 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 forever. Na 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 na. Na 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 never. It's cold, na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Cat, cat, cat. Whoa, whoa. And na 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 na. Slow. Alright, let's try one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Na 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 na, met you. Na na na, forever. Na 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 na. Na 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 na, never. Cold outside. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. And ka ka ka. Oh, oh. Walk, walk slow. So right after we did slow-mo again, you wanna go step with your left, you go boom, and yeah, so bounce, and. At the same time, your right arm is gonna go hit, open, right? So it's right and left, and notice how it's knuckles open, alright? At the same time, you wanna go boom, and notice how it's opposite, boom. Alright, right after that, you just wanna go point, you, me, alright? Now, if you want to, you can go like sway a bit from side to side, yeah? Just leaning like that, yeah? So I wanna go you, me. Alright, so when we combine, it's gonna look like this. Boom, and you, me. Okay, feel free to practice on your own if you need to. I also had to practice a couple of times before I got it down. Alright, so let me just show you a quick preview of the next section here. It goes, this was in section 3. So 4 is you wanna go boom, and you, and me. Alright, let me break it down. Okay, just try and practice with me. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, and you, and me. And a bit faster one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom, and you, and me. Okay, we're almost at the end, guys. Hang in there. Alright, so let me show you the next section. Preview goes you and me. We want to go boom, and a push, ball chain. Now let me break it down. So the first thing we do after we go me, there's not many people who do this, but I feel like, you know, something is missing because there's a beat and there's a long break. So we want to go throw it before we go up here, figure 8 or helicopter, whatever you want to call this thing here. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going here with my right behind, open flower, just turn it like a clock. Yeah, so boom. And then I want to bring it down. Actually, I want to push away first with my left here. And I take a step back with my right, turning this way. Yeah, dragging my left in as I go. Step back with left, right, front. Yeah, it's also known as the ball change. All right, so we want to go whoop, push, step, step. All right, at the same time, we want to do the dice roll. All right, so let's just rewind here. We want to go throw, go up, here, push, ball, chain, dice roll. All right, let's just try and practice with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go throw and helicopter, whatever this is. Push away, ball, chain. All right, guys, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Throw. Open your arms. Push. Ball chain. Okay, guys, time to do the whole thing from the tip to the top. Let me just do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. So, from the tip to the top, it goes step around hello and step around rain and cross out. Fill it out and snap. And it's cold, 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 and a slow-mo walk. Switch, side, walk, walk. And then there's a shoulder, 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 feel it out. Another slow-mo walk. Right, left, slow. And then there's a step up, you and me. And then there's a throw, helicopter push, and ball change. Alright, so let me show you with the timing as well. So it goes something like da 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 da, met you, da 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 forever, da 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 da, never, it's cold, da na. Na 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 na, and ka. Oh, another slow mo. Da 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 da, slow mo. Ka and na, you and me. Ka and na. All right, guys, time to practice. So we're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Na met you. Na forever. Na never. It's cold. Na and ka low and slow mo walk. Ka and you, me, ka and na e. Okay, guys, let's just try one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Na met you, na forever. Na never. It's cold. Na and ka na da slow. Ka and you, me, ka and na. Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast, okay? And actually, there's also a slow version of this dance, so you don't even need to do it fast. Alright, so that's it for my dance tutorial on how to do this Heartbreak anniversary TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.